The purpose of the meeting today is to review the progress of and the implementation of the National Action Plan, which was jointly formulated and prepared by the all parties conference, which was held in the Prime Minister's office some time ago. Two of the items have already been implemented. One, of course, is the constitutional amendment which has been carried out, and the other thing was to amend the military law, which has also been done. So these were the two things which were done very speedily after the tragic incident of Peshawar, and we all agreed that within 7 days the parties will give their recommendations, and the parties gave their recommendations. And within the next 7 days, the meeting was held here in the Prime Minister's office, and the agenda was agreed upon. So the agenda is now before us, and it has not been just prepared by the government alone. In fact, the entire political leadership, as I just mentioned, prepared the agenda with consensus. So the apex committees have been constituted in the provinces. They have also met. They are meeting regularly. Punjab, I am told, have had several meetings of the apex committee, and I believe the other provinces will also be holding their next meeting soon. Military courts are being constituted, and the cases that are to be tried in these military courts are also being selected through a process. It is an agenda which we have to implement, no matter federation or the provinces. We all have to work together hand in hand, and whatever support the federal government can lend to the provinces, will be very happy to lend that support to the provinces.